Namaste students. I hope you are doing well. Till now we have discussed in surface area and volumes, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone, their surface areas, that is it may be CSA or lateral surface area or total surface area. Lateral surface area, the term will be used for the mostly cube and cuboid. CSA, curved surface area, used the term for sphere and for cylinder and cone. We have discussed till now in the previous sessions. So today we are going to discuss about sphere. Today we are going to discuss about sphere. You see, look at this. What is this? Yes, this is a ball. Which shape? What do you call it is? What is the shape? Generally, it is a shape. What is the shape of this? This is a spherical shape. Why do we say this is a spherical shape? Why do we say this is a spherical shape? A solid whose surface is appearing like a sphere. A solid, it is a solid whose surface appears as a spherical. As a spherical, we call it as sphere. This is the example of sphere. So sphere, you see here, it's appearing the circular regions. Circular, however you see, however you rotate, it appears as in a circular region. So spherical, sphere is a solid shape. Sphere is a solid shape which is having a surface and a spherical, that is called sphere. That is called a sphere. Now look at this. Observe it. This is spherical shape, sphere. Now these spheres are, if you want to find out the surface area of the sphere, slowly keep filling these circular regions, these four circular regions, if you fill, that is nothing but the surface area of the sphere. These are the four circular regions. Filling of these four circular regions, that is, so 1, 2, 3 of equal radius, 4 circular regions. So surface area, and for sphere we have only surface area, which is nothing but the total surface area. Sphere is having only one surface, that is not having any CSA. This one, we have only total surface area. The total surface area of the sphere is total surface area. We are going to find, look at this, area of the circle. If the radius is r, 4 pi r square. So area of these four circular regions is nothing but the surface area of the sphere. The word only, if you have surface area, it indicates that the total surface area. If you don't have any term, especially like only find surface area, the meaning itself is the total surface area. No need to mention again what is its total surface area. So sphere is having only one, that is total surface area. So surface area of a sphere, is equals to 4 pi r square. Surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square, where r is the radius. Surface area of the sphere. So if you fill these circular regions with these regions, these four areas of four circles is equal to the surface area of the sphere. What is that? Area of each circle is 4 pi r square. Area of the circle, each circle is pi r square. Four circles we have 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now, when it comes to the hemisphere, half of the sphere, what do you call? When you cut the sphere into two equal halves, you will be getting hemisphere, that is hemisphere, half of the sphere, this is half of the sphere. What do you call from here to here? Radius. What do you call here? Radius. This is radius. This is radius. This part is called radius of the sphere, hemisphere. Radius. Half of the sphere. Now sphere and hemisphere. Hemisphere, I said it does not have any CSA. Only total surface area, that is 4 pi r square. Now when it comes to the hemisphere, you see here hemispherical shape, exactly two halves, the upper part and the lower part, two hemispheres, half of the spheres. Surface area we have in this. Here is a one circular shape. Observe it. This is one circle. Like that. Observe it. The circular region. Here also we have circular region. Half of the sphere we call it as hemisphere. So for hemisphere we have CSA. Curved surface area. Curved surface area, which is nothing but exactly half of this one, 4 pi r square. Half of this is 2 pi r square. Square units. Even here also 4 pi r square. The area always we measured in square units. Next, total surface area is equals to half of this, including even in the sea here, the top is covered. Top is in a circular shape. So that is one more circle. So 3 pi r square. Square units. So sphere, it is having only one surface, which is nothing but the total surface area, or simply we call it as surface area, 4 pi r square. And here hemispherical shape, exactly half of the sphere is called hemisphere. Hemisphere curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. This is 4 pi r square. Spherical shape is 4 pi r square, and hemisphere total surface area is 3 pi r square, and hemisphere curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Now we will discuss about some sphere and hemisphere based on this hemispherical shape and spherical shape. Some of the questions we are going to discuss. From exercise 13.4, the question number 2, find the surface area of sphere whose diameter one is 14 centimeter and 3.5 meter. Find the surface area of a sphere, whose diameter. So given thing is diameter. Solution. First question. So diameter D is equals to 14 centimeter. How to calculate? But actually we know the formula based on the radius, based on its radius, not based on the diameter. So when we know the diameter, how to find out its radius? Yes, exactly divided by 2. Exactly divided by 2. Radius is equals to. So radius is equals to R is equals to, which is nothing but D by 2. So 14 by 2 is equals to 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Now surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. R is nothing but radius. And in all these questions, unless we stated, if we did not mention anything, then we have to use the value of pi as 22 by 7. We have to use the value of pi 22 by 7. So surface area of the sphere is equals to 4 pi r square, which is equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into here r square. Radius we got as 7. So 7 square, that is nothing but 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 1 7, 7 ones are cancelled. What do we have now? Which is equals to 7 ones are cancelled. So 4 into 22, 88, 88 into 77. Here is the rough work. 88 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 5 remains. 7 8s are 56 plus 5, 601. So 616 centimeter square, or you can write square centimeter. Therefore, surface area of the sphere, surface area of sphere is equals to 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. Is it clear? They have given the diameter and we calculated its radius. Radius is exactly half of the diameter. Our diameter will be 2 times of its radius. So we calculated by using 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now see the next question. It is third question. In the same bit, third question we are doing, that is 3.5 meters. Third one is 3.5 meters. This is a diameter is given and we need to calculate the surface area of the sphere. Observe it. Solution. Given that D is equals to 3.5 meters. What is the diameter of the sphere is given, that is 3.5. Radius of the sphere. Radius of sphere r is equals to d by 2, which is equals to 3.5 by 2. 3.5 by 2. 3.5 by 2. Are you following? Diameter is given as 3.5. Radius, that is 3.5 divided by 2. Let it be like that only. Now, surface area. Surface area of sphere. What is the formula? We know that 4 pi r square. Square units you have to mention when you write the solution. Area, because it is area, we always measure that area in square units. 4 pi r square, which is equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. Observe it, r value how much? 3.5. Either you can simplify or without simplifying also you can substitute here. That is 3.5 by 2 whole square. 3.5 by 2 whole square, which is equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 7 into 3.5 by 7. 3.5 by, sorry, it's 2. 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Observe it now. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then 2 ones are 2 2s are. It will be easy to cancel the 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. So 2 2 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 2s are, and then 2 ones are 2 11s are. Now we have 7.5. Observe it. So 7 ones are 7. 3.5 can be 0. 7 zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0, and so 0.35, that is, so 35. 7 5s are 35. What do we have now? 2 into 11 into 0.5 into 3.5, which is equals to 2 into 11 into 0.5 into 3.5. Observe this part. 2 into 0.5, 2 into half. 0.5 is nothing but half. So 2 into 0.5 is 1. So 1, 2 into 0.5 is 1. So 11 into 1. Or else you can multiply 2 into 11, 22. 22 into 0.5. If you multiply, that is also 11 only you will get. So 11 into 3.5 into 11. 11 5s are 55. And 11 5s are 55. 3 remains. 11 3s are 33. 11 5s are 55. 11 3s are 33 plus 5, 38. And point is there. So 38.5 centimeter square. Therefore, surface area of the sphere, surface area of sphere is equals to 38.5 centimeter square. 38.5 centimeter square. First we converted the given diameter into radius. We calculated its radius. Then we found its surface area. Is it clear? Now question number 5. A hemispherical ball made up of a brass of inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Its inner diameter is 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So there is a hemispherical ball is there. That is hemispherical ball. Look at this. This is the hemispherical ball. So in this, the diameter is given. This is the diameter. How much it is? 10.5 centimeter. This is given as 10.5 centimeter. Inner. They wanted to cover with a tin plating it on the inside of this hemispherical shape. Inside, at the rate of 16 per 100 centimeter square. So when they are coating it inside, observe it, the inside they are coating it. So in that case, when they are coating it inside, so what we have to find out? That you have to think. Come on, guess it. Which one we have to calculate when you are coating it inside, on the inside, this part. They are coating like this, not this much thick. They wanted to coat it with a tin plate like this. Okay. So what we calculate? We will be calculating its curved surface area. So curved surface area. First diameter. So diameter is equals to, observe it. diameter. D is equals to of hemisphere is given, that is 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter. Radius R is equals to D by 2, which is equals to 10.5 by 2 centimeter. Now we are calculating its curved surface area. We are calculating its curved surface area, that is CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is equals to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. What is the radius? 10.5 by 2. So which is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. So here 2 ones are cancelled. Then 2 ones are 2 11s are cancelled. Then 11 into 10.5 into 10.5, and we have even 7. 7 ones are 7. Observe it. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3, and point is there, so we put the point, and 5. 3 and 5 is 35. 7 5s are 35. So we have here 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 centimeter square. This we have to calculate its enough. The product we have to calculate. Here I am calculating its product. So 10.5. We have 11 into 1.5. 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35. So 2 pi r square. Observe it carefully. 11 into 1.5 into 10.5. So 10.5 into 1.5. 10.5 into 1.5 we are doing first. 5 5s are 25. 2 carrying, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2. 2, 5 ones are 5. Then 1 5s are 5. 1 zeros are 1 ones are 5, 7, 5, 1. Now decimal point, here after the digit, here after decimal point 1 digit, here also 1 digit, total 2 digits. This is 15.75. 15.75. And into we have 11. Into we have 11. So 15.75 into 11. We are multiplying with 11 again. 11. Directly you can multiply with 11 or one table, then directly again one table, that also you can do. 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. 11 7s are 77 plus 5, 82. 11 7s are 77 plus 5, 82. 8 remains. 11 5s are 55 plus 8, 63. 11 1s are 11 plus 6, 17. Observe it. 11 5s are 55, 5 remains. 11 7s are 77 plus 5, 82. 8 remains. 11 5s are 55 plus 8, 55 plus 8, 63. 3 remains. 11 ones are 11 plus 6, 17. And here 2 digits are there. So this is 2 digits. Therefore 173.25. 173.25 centimeter square. Centimeter square. So the surface area CSA of hemisphere is equals to 173.25 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Now cost per 1600 rupees 16 at the rate of 16 at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Per 100 centimeter square. Per 100 centimeter square. We have to find out its cost. Means this much tin should be covered. Tin plating should be covered for the hemispherical shape inside it. This much area they have to cover. Now CSA of hemisphere 173.25 centimeter square. Cost is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. For 100 centimeter square it is 16. 100 centimeter square the cost is 16. What is the cost of 1 centimeter square? For 100 centimeter square, suppose you have 4 rupees. For 4 rupees you are getting 20 pence. 4 rupees for 20 pence you are getting, like this. So you have to think, what is the cost of? Cost is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Then for 100 centimeter square the cost is rupees 16. Now what is the cost of 173.25? What is the cost of 173. So cost is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Cost of 1 square centimeter. Cost of 1 square centimeter is equals to rupees 16 by 100. Rupees 16 by 100. Rupees 16 by 100. Now cost of 173.25 square centimeter is equals to 173.25 into 16 by 100 is equals to, observe it, 173.25 into 16. Clear? 173.25 into 16. So 173, we are multiplying it 16. So 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 3 remains. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 1 remains. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 9. 1 remains. 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43. 6 1s are 6 plus 4. 6 1s are 6 plus 4, that is 10. Next, 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 7s are 1 1s are 0. 5 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10 11 12. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 and this is 2. So this is when you multiply 173.25 into 16, after the decimal point you have 2 digits. So 2 digits you are removing. 2 digits you are removing. Here observe it carefully. Observe it carefully. Observe it carefully. Here 2 digits we place, so 15.2 and 173. 15.75 when we multiply with 11 we got 173.25. 173.25 into 16 when we multiply 2 digits after the decimal place, so 2772, which is equals to, this is 2772 by 100. When you convert this into by 100 into the form of decimal, then 27.72. Therefore this is, observe it here, 27.72 is what? The cost of tin plating is equals to rupees 27.72. Cost of tin plating is rupees 27.72. 27.72. Now question number 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Then find the ratio of the surface areas. The diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Which is the bigger? The earth is bigger. The diameter of the earth is bigger. And the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth approximately. Then find the ratio of their surface areas. Both are surface areas, both are in a spherical shape. Both are in a spherical shape. Observe it. We are first assuming what are all given. One is moon and one is earth. So this is moon and this is big earth diameter. So the diameter of the earth, if you take the diameter of the earth as d, then this will be 1/4 of the earth. So we are taking as d only, the diameter of the earth is d, then this will be 1/4 of d, 1/4 of d, 1/4 of d. So the diameter of the earth is d, we are assuming, and diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So let the diameter of the earth, excuse me, let the diameter of the earth is d, then the diameter of the diameter of the moon is equals to 1/4 of d, 1/4 of diameter of the earth, 1/4 of d. Next, radius of the earth is equals to d is the diameter, radius is half of it, so d by 2. Next, the radius of the moon is equals to, radius of the moon is, actually diameter is what? 1/4 of d, that is nothing but d by 4, d by 4, 1 into d by 4. Now radius is half of this, half of, so 1/2 of half of d by 4, which is nothing but half into d by 4, which is equals to d by 8, which is equals to d by 8. Radius of the moon is d by 8. Observe it. Radius of the moon, half of the diameter. What is diameter actually? D by 4. So half of d by 4 is half into d by 4, which is equals to d by 8. Now they both are in which shape? Spherical shape. They both are in which shape? Spherical shape. So radius we found. Radius of the earth we found, and radius of the moon also we found. Radius of the moon also we found. Now observe it, radius of the moon, surface area of the moon, surface area of the moon. What is the formula actually? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now 4 pi, what is the radius? D by 8. So d by 8 whole square. D by 8 whole square. Next, this is surface area of the moon. Now we are finding surface area of the earth. Surface area of the earth, surface area of the earth is equals to, again here also we have the same formula, 4 pi r square, which is equals to 4 pi into what is the radius of the earth? D by 2. D by 2 whole square. D by 2 whole square. Observe it very carefully. Observe it carefully. Observe it carefully. Okay. Observe it carefully. This is radius of the surface area of the moon, and this is surface area of the earth. Now ratio of surface area of moon to the earth. We are calculating the ratio of this surface area of moon to the earth. What is surface area of the moon? 4 pi d by 8 whole square by, see here, this is the surface area of the moon, and surface area of the earth 4 pi d by 2 whole square, 4 pi d by 8 whole square and 4 pi d by 2 whole square. 4 pi cancel. What is left over? D by 8 whole square. D square by 8 square. D square by 8 square. That is D square by 64 by. Next again you have D by 2 whole square. D square by 2 square is 4. So D square by 4. Now two fractions you have. It is the reciprocal. Second fraction is the reciprocal, which is nothing but D square by 64 into reciprocal of this is 4 by D square. So D square and D square cancel. 4 ones are 4 16s are. 4 ones are 4 16s are. Which is equals to, so finally you got 1 by 16. 1 by 16 which is equals to 1 is to 16. We are finding ratio. Therefore the ratio is, here I am writing therefore statement. Therefore ratio is equals to 1 is to 16. Radius, surface area of the moon to the surface area of the earth is equals to 1 is to 16. What do we do here? We can first assume that the diameter of the earth is d and the diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, and radius is half of the diameter, so d by 2, that is radius of the earth, and radius of the moon is half of this is half of d by 4, which is nothing but half into d by 4, d by 8. The surface areas both are in spherical shape, so we found the surface area of the moon 4 pi d by 8 whole square, and we found the surface area of the earth 4 pi d by 2 whole square. Ratio is nothing but the comparison. So 4 pi d by 8 whole square by 4 pi d by 2 whole square. 4 pi cancel. D square by 8 square, which is nothing but d square by 64, and here d by 2 whole square, d square by 2 square is 4. Then two fractions, this fraction divided by this fraction, which is nothing but, which the second fraction is the reciprocal division. So 4 by d square cancel. 4 ones are 4 16. 1 by 16 is nothing but 1 is to 16. Therefore the required ratio, what is here? Therefore the ratio of the surface area of the moon to the surface area of the earth, the surface area of the moon to the surface area of the earth is 1 is to 16. 1 is to 16. I hope it is clear to you. Now question number 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. So radius is r. See in figure. Find the surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of a cylinder, ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. So here, when it comes to this part, the sphere, a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere. A right circular cylinder encloses a sphere. Inside the sphere and outside it is a cylinder. So radius of the sphere is nothing but r. Now what do you call this one? what do you call this one? Diameter of the cylinder, diameter of the radius, both are same. And now what do you call here? This is diameter of the sphere, which is nothing but equal to height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is equal to diameter of the earth. So first thing, here you need to calculate radius. Radius of sphere is equals to R. Surface area of sphere. What is the formula? Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. But what is the radius? Same radius. So which is equals to 4 pi r square. R place r only is there, so we are writing r square. Now, when he is asking, this is the first one. So surface area of the sphere over. Second one, curved surface area of the cylinder. What is the formula? Curved surface area of the cylinder you already learned in the previous session. Yes, what is that? You are right, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r h. So, second one, radius of the cylinder is equals to radius of the sphere is equals to radius of the cylinder. So that part, radius of sphere is equals to radius of cylinder. Radius of sphere is equals to radius of cylinder. Now you have to take out, one is radius of the sphere is equals to radius of the cylinder. So radius of the cylinder is also radius of cylinder is equals to r units. R only. Radius of the cylinder is also r. Now what is height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is nothing but the diameter of the sphere. Height of the cylinder is nothing but the diameter of the sphere. So height, observe it. Height of the cylinder is equals to diameter of sphere. Diameter of sphere. So what is height of the cylinder? Cylinder is equals to diameter of the sphere is nothing but radius is r, diameter will be how many times of its radius? 2 times. So diameter is nothing but height of the cylinder is equals to 2 into r, which is equals to 2r. This is height of the cylinder. CSA of cylinder now. CSA, curved surface area. CSA of cylinder. What is the formula? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. This is height of the cylinder and this is the radius of the cylinder. So 2 pi r h. 2 into, observe it, 2 into pi into radius is r and height is 2 times of its radius, that is 2r. Now 2 2s are 4, which is equals to 4 pi r square. 2 2s are 4, pi r into r square. So CSA of the cylinder also we got 4 pi r square. This is CSA of cylinder. Now ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. Now third one, ratio of surface area of sphere to CSA of cylinder, which is nothing but CSA of cylinder. Here ratio of the surface area of sphere and surface area, the CSA of cylinder. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square and CSA of cylinder is also 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square, which is equals to, cancel all 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, 1 by 1, which is nothing but 1:1. Therefore the ratio is 1:1. Therefore the ratio is 1:1. So the sphere just cylinder encloses a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Sphere of radius r. This is how we calculate the ratio. Is it clear, children? I hope you understood what we have discussed. So today we have discussed about a sphere and hemisphere. So surface area of the hemisphere is, that is CSA and PSA. For sphere we have only total surface area, that is total surface area or surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, r is the radius, and hemisphere CSA is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. I hope you understood what we have discussed in today's session. And here we have some homework questions from exercise 13.4, page number 225. Question number 1, second bit and third bit, third, fourth, sixth, and question number 8. You have to finish. Complete this work and revise the formulas once for all these cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. All these surface areas. Formulas you have to revise. Thank you.